Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check.
Kenneth,
What's the
picturean
name
mo
of
kami
your group,
tatlo.
Marlene?
Ni
Dali,
Destiny.
hawakan ko lang tong iPad. Nire-record yung
Papa
game.
group. Papa. So you need two more here. Two more. Two more. Rock and roll. Come on, two more. Ano pangalan ng grupo nyo?
Para maglalaba ka lang sa sapa.
Ano, what?
Ha?
Init kaya?
Oh, the Guapa group and the sexy group. We need one more. Aban?
Siksik.
Okay, 6 sexy group. We need one more. Oh, God. Pastilan. Okay. And then, 4. We need one more.
We need one more.
Yen Yen. Okay.
We should do like our
Okay,
photo.
5.
We should do like our photo.
You belong to this group, sorry.
Okay.
Please.
Hey,
We can do like on the.
Quiet.
quiet. Listen. Form a straight line. I want to see a straight line. I know it's hot. Did you wear your sunblock?
I did.
Okay,
Boys, another line.
I know, because I want to get over to them.
Okay.
Iyak nakikita na.
Lalaki, mga lalaki dito. Kulang pa kayo ng dalawa.
Because I don't know if he's like.
Walang pa ng dalawa. Dalawa pa. Dalawa.
Two more.
Dalawa. Nakakahimatay. Dalawa. Wala na.
Berna!
Babae.
Papi!
Babae.
Okay.
Pretty babae.
Go, you guys play, go! I don't
There's
know.
prizes,
Round trip ticket to the Philippines.
Oh, I'm gonna join! I'm gonna join! I'm gonna join!
Ito akin na lang yan.
Two more, please. Be a sport. Two
You
more.
should do it family.
Two more from this area. Are you going? Oh, yes.
Okay.
Go.
What do you do?
Oh, come on. Oh, that's muna yung barong. May-
Okay, we need one more. Okay, you're five. Michael, you're five.
Okay, 5. Guapa. Guapa group. Sexy group. What's the name of your group?
Bulilit!
Crazy kid?
Bulilit.
Kitty.
Cuties. What about this group?
Raimundo five.
Raimundo Papa.
Yeah. Paano magsimula? Ay, hula ko. Hindi ako marunong maghula kaya hindi ako sumama. Kaya nga eh. Hanggang 6 na, no? 8? 8? Oh my gosh, are we staying till 8? May river na. May river na ocean na. Amoy asin na. Yung pa ako puro putok-putok. Kausapin ko lang nanay ko maganda.
Okay. So you know what a hula hoop is? So basically, what do you do when you do the hula hoop?
Maghula! Malamang.
Listen. Now, I need volunteers. Lucille, Bella, we would demonstrate to you how
Gusto nila may kipag-volleyball.
This is a
Gusto ko
relay.
kasi may net.
Okay.
Paula
Very-
makukuon, imo cellphone.
Tagalog, Buday, Tagalog.
Ay, pahiram yung cellphone.
And Bella, watch, okay? This is a relay. Pabilisan. Walang putulan. Hawak-hawak together, join hands together, feel na feel, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. Oh, dami ng pera. Ha? Oh, doon. Now, if you want them to play with you, also donate
Ay, Ate
money.
Flora.
So we collect more fun activities.
Hindi ko pa alam. Alamin ko muna. I-text kita. I-text
I-Twitter
kita.
ko.
I-Twitter kita.
Listen.
Follow mo
Oh,
muna siya.
pero August.
Follow mo muna. Follow mo muna siya.
I-tag sa Instagram. The heck?
I-stalker talaga.
Thank you, Marie. Thank you.
Uy, gusto ko yung game na yon.
Ay, hindi naman naguhulop ata eh.
Kaya nga.
Wait, nahula ako. Hindi ko alam.
Can you see
Kasi
us?
akala ko hula hoop talaga na gano'n.
Focus. Can you see us? Okay.
Salita yung.
Wala na, kanina, naghahanap.
The name of the game is Loop the Hoop. So you put loop. Okay? So, this is how you're gonna do it. Are you ready? Okay, go. Bagal mo ka.
Kaya nga eh. Oo.
Ay, bilis-bilisan niyo, mga manang. Bella, dalian mo.
Ano si Berna?
Kayo lang ba? Mag-review.
Akala ko mag-hula hoop
Kaya
talaga.
nga rin eh, kaya hindi ako pumunta.
It's like,
Kala ko bawal ang kamay.
Pasok mo.
Oh, grabe ng kanta oh.
eh, buhay pa ko niyan, buhay pa.
Buhay ka ba nga?
Pretskitik. Gusto ko.
song. So weird.
Part of the song.
Oh my God.
Pasok mo.
Pwede! Pwede, meron hula hoop pa oh.
Wala oy. Nagkulay ka ulit?
Yeah.
Maganda siya. Para ka na Amerikana buday.
So freaking hot.
The Asian cutie, nasa niya yun?
No way. Sure ba?
Wala na. Disagree din
Kikidlat
yung
buday, kikidlat.
Oh yeah. Oh, paulan na. Nawala na yung araw.